Hello everyone. I'm very excited today to share with you all that finally our app is on floor on iOS for the iOS users. You can download, you can share. Okay, so the purpose behind making the app was simply that all my students throughout the world can access all my resources without any distraction, without any ads, at the one go in the same platform and just focus on their studies. Okay, so this was the main purpose, so that I can collate all my resources at one place and my student can access anytime, anywhere, wherever they are. They are traveling in bus because traveling takes a lot of time. I know I got many feedback from my students. They didn't get time to revise, to watch my videos, because they at the last moment, it is not, it is not practically possible to go through all my videos. So I made this app for my students, for all my students who are supporting me continuing throughout my journey and giving their valuable feedback and the comments on my YouTube videos, which motivates me a lot to upload more and more videos as much as I can. And I will show you how to download this as the video goes. So a small request is just to share with all your friends, specifically focusing on the MYP, DP Physics, IGCSE, AS and A levels. I will try more videos and resources to update on the app as the time goes on. I will try my level best. So you can watch and enjoy without any ad, without any distractions. Try the worksheets. PDFs are also available. Annotations, whatever I do on my YouTube videos, all PDFs are there. Free of cost, you can download. Just you have to register with an account and you can access them free of cost anytime, anywhere, 24/7 available. Okay. Videos are available, worksheets are available, their marking schemes are available. So just go download. As of now, we have started with the iOS, and coming in the coming time we will also working on for the Android users. But as of now, yes, you can give your valuable feedback whenever in any mode of communication. If you have my WhatsApp number, you can see the chat, the link is given for my WhatsApp, email. Any way of communications are acceptable. Please give your feedback, please share with your students, with any students who are in DP Physics, MYP Physics, IGCSE, S or A level. You can share with parents whose students or whose daughters and the sons are in a particular. And as of now, I started with physics, but I have a team for all the subjects, major subjects covering DP and MYP, IGCSE, S and A levels. I will try to make videos of other subjects and try to upload in the coming time. But I need your support. This is my beginning of my journey in terms of the developing the app. So if you can share as much as possible, it will give us the motivation, because it's free of cost, doesn't matter. So just enjoy and give your valuable feedback so that we can improve on our app. And last but not the least, special thank to our app developer, Mr. Advitya. You can find the details I will share in the coming video. Okay, now let's go through the app, how you can download. So I'm using my iPad. You can also use your iPhone. This is for iOS users. So just click on the App Store as you generally download any other app. Okay, so just click on the search bar and just type Eduxcite and just click on search. So this is the logo of my classes, Eduxcite classes. Just click on this, it will get download. It will not take much time. So this is app for IB and IGCSE as well as AS and A level. So just click on open. So this is the screen, you can see it will looks like this. Now once you download for the very first time, it will require the three information: your first name, your email ID, and you have to create your own password. Now if you log in with the same device again, no need to give all these details. Automatically you will go to the home page. Okay, so as of now, if you have already logged in, you can click on the login. Otherwise, you have, for the first time user, you have to sign up. Okay, so I'm making a new account. So just to show you, let us say my first name Monit. Let us take the Eduxcite classes email only @gmail.com. So once you enter, now you can create any password. So Okay, so I've created my password and just click on register. So once you register, okay, so this will be the home page when you appear on the app. So you can see this is the browser, all the details are here. Okay, about me, about our highlights of the classes. These are the 4 tabs on the home page: the MYP Physics, DP Physics, IGCSE, AS and A level. Okay, so you can explore any of the tab specific to your curriculum and your class. Also, you can chat with me on the WhatsApp. Once you click, you will redirect it to your WhatsApp and you can chat with me. Please do not message on the odd hours. But yeah, if you have any doubt, you want any information regarding the classes, just leave a message. I will get back to you as early as possible. Okay, so I will show you to how you can explore all the resources. So let us say I started with DP Physics. So all my YouTube videos are synchronized here. Okay, so all my IBDP physics videos are available now without any ad, no more distractions. Even you can download the PDF. I will show you. Let us say I am clicking on IBDP Physics topic 2 mechanics unwrapping paper 1. Now if you click on this, there will be a video available. Now it will not show any ads first of all, and even the PDF, like once you click here you will go through the video and I will show you. And once you click on the checkout are the resources, these are the PDF. Okay, so for example, this is the worksheet and this is the marking scheme. You can read the name. So the below one is the worksheet. So first I will request all you, if you are trying for solving, so once you click on the worksheet, it will redirect it to the page. It is taking time to load, but yeah, like this. So this is the worksheet for topic 2 mechanics. So first I will request you to download this and you can solve this worksheet right now here in front of your device. You just mark it and go to back, and you can even check the marking schemes of the same PDF. Okay, whatever I have annotated in my videos, everything is will be there in this PDF, whatever the solutions I have done for the particular. So you can check with your answers whatever you have done. Okay, this is the marking scheme and that is the same thing which I have explained in the video. Even though if you are not able to go through the solution, you didn't get how I solved, you can go for the explanation in the video part. So this is how the app works and how you can access all my resources in this app. So I will request you to please share, as it is available free of cost. You can share with your friends, your families, those who are looking for any type of physics tutoring services or any subjects, irrespective of whether it is science or not. I have a team of all the IBDP physics experienced teacher, almost covering all the group subjects. So if you have any doubt, even MYP as well, IGCSE, AS and A levels. So this I have made all my resources, so I have collated in my app. Soon you will get more resources updated on regular basis. And this is all even ignite boredom. There's a small boredom game for you, a normal game you can try. This is all information about us, which the same you can find on our website as well. The link is given in the description. This is all. This is my small team. Okay, and last but not the least, very special thanks to our app developer, Mr. Aditya Kumar. He's one of my student. Okay, so he has made this app, and I was very excited working with him. He was very excited to make the app. So this is the app developer with us. So hope soon we will be doing the regular updates, and even though we will be getting an Android app soon. And our internet presence consists of our website and our YouTube channel. You can just click here to go directly to our website and explore the other things, and you can check our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. And if you want to delete your account, you can just email and enter your password. Your accounts will get deleted, or you can delete your account if you want. You can mail it to the respective email ID. Okay, so this is all from my side as of now. Yes, it's on initial stages, but hope we will update soon in the coming time. Okay, Thank you for being with us and supporting throughout my journey. I hope you like this app where all my resources are here. Even for the MYPs also, your on-screen examination and the resources are available. More resources are in line. I will try my level best to collate it here for your easy understanding and going through all at one place without any ads and distractions. Okay, and if you have any query regarding the online tuitions, just leave a message on my WhatsApp. Please download and share with your friends. Hope you like it, and if any feedbacks are always welcome. You can leave any feedback, you can message, email, any way of communications are accepted. Thank you for being with us. Have a great day. Keep learning. See you in next time.